This is Jacob. I'm working on my racing project, my racing lawnmower. I got it primered down pretty good. Got it looking good. See it looking good here. Yep. Got it going slowly but surely. I'm working kind of late, so I'm not getting able to work on it like I wanted to. But the other night, when I started it up, I didn't get a full view because it was dark. I just cranked it up when I came home at night. But this is my muffler system. Well, actually exhaust system. Coming out the pipe, going into a big pipe, coming out a 3-inch pipe. 2 up. Dual exhaust. Everything I do, I try to put duals on. Just like a car. That's the 3-inch pipe. I got one on both sides. This one here is a little off center, but I'm gonna work with that. That shouldn't be a problem. It's sounding good though. I got this primed up pretty good. She's a slow process, but she working. And I cranked it the other night. I was so crunk. I didn't realize how dark it was. That you could hear it, but you couldn't see it. Yep, she's coming along. I'm gonna fire up for a minute now that we see the pipes and you know what I'm working with. Little pipes and you know what I'm working with. So I'm gonna put it down for a second just to crank it and I'll pick it back up. That's on low throttle. Couple of times for you. That's what I'm talking about. She running good. It done pause on me. I might have to do this all over again. Yeah, if I do, I'm gonna look at it. Peace to the soldiers. God bless everybody. This is Jacob.